So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just from washing my face, but I will brief you shortly about the video, what the video is all about before we continue. So this video is to help someone who perhaps has been fighting acne and blackheads. You don't have breakouts per se, but you have like a rough skin, and it's not breakout but rough skin. I don't know how to describe. You will see a photo. I will kind of zoom it on one of the ends, and then you'll get what I mean. And that makes someone not to really have an even skin, or when you apply makeup you have like spots popping up, and how I was able to solve that issue. Before we go into depth, I would like to say that this won't work for everyone, because everyone is different, and what works for me may not work for you and for any other person. And that's how I came to use this product that I want to show you. Even me, before I realized that this is working for me, I tried other things like chemical exfoliation, scrubbing, but nothing was working until I decided that I should do something that it's really for my skin. Funny enough, this one was not recommended by many YouTubers or many influencers. Many people are recommending chemical exfoliation, the normal scrubbing, peeling, masking, but it wasn't working for me. I know many people will say, oh, that's too harsh, or this and that, but it worked for me. And if you are someone like me who has tried many things and it's not working, you can try this and see if it works for you. For me, what made me really settle on the device is because it's like other people. I noticed that my skin has a problem with like removing the sebum or the excess oil, so which leads to me having really bad breakouts or the big pimples. So with this product, let me show you so you can understand. It's a Sunction device. Yeah, exactly, Sunction device. I got it from Amazon. So it helps me to pull the excess fat from the face, and then when I apply all my products, the products can sink into my skin and therefore work. Unlike before, where I was just using chemical exfoliation. Yes, I will peel off the dry skin or the dead skin, but nothing is happening in depth. It is not as bad as people say, but it works. And for me, I use it depending on how my skin is, but after every 2 weeks, because I don't like doing a lot on my face. So here is the manual. This is how the packet looks like. This is the pump. This one is the soft one. If you don't, it's not too harsh. The one with high power. This one, the big one. The corners, you use this one. It's sharp. I don't know if it's visible. Yeah, like that. It's visible with like a flat surface. And then this one, it's for the small one. It's for areas around the eyelids and the mouth, the sensitive area. So first, you're recommended to wash your face. Then you just turn it on here. I don't use the most Sunction. I use the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth one. Yeah, because the farthest one is, oh my god, too painful for my face, and you don't want to stay at one place for long. So I will show you. I'll keep on my glasses for a moment because I want to see what I'm doing. Oh. You don't want to stay like this at one place for long, because you will get now like patches, and if you are lighter in color, you will have red swelling. So I don't stay in one place for long. After you've used this pump, you should not have like harsh products afterwards, because your pores are open and that is going to be too harsh on your skin. So I like to use it and then use my retinol only after. And in the morning, oh my God, my face is because retinol will help me with rejuvenating my skin. So that is one tip I will give you. And by the way, you want to suction just like how you wash your face, going upwards to prevent your wrinkles from popping at an early age. So this is what I do, and my pores will be wide, not that much wide open, but a little bit wide, and you'll see all the dead skin, what I mean. And like this, I'm good for 2 weeks for the products to work. You know, some of us, we need help with these things. It's not that harsh because, oh my God, I'm still using, but once a month or after 2 months, I was using the chemical exfoliation, the peeling solution from The Ordinary, but it seems to be too harsh on my face and giving me more breakout instead. So it was not working that much. So now I only use once a month, not the weekly or I don't know, twice. You can see this dead skin. So you can see already, you can see the dead skin here. Yeah, it's visible. So that's why I use the chemical exfoliation once in a month to remove all the dead skin. And this is how currently it looks. It already feels soft, and I think you can see the pores are a little bit open compared to here. Yeah, so when I apply my retinol, or if you want, you can apply, I think, whatever you want, but so long as it's not ash, the thing that you think helps your face to work more. And for my nose, I use the high power because I have at the nose is where you have a lot of oil and the slightly rough, bumpy skin. So this is how you see. Have you ever wondered when you go for a skin, what is it? Oh my God, I've forgotten the word. My English is getting worse each and every day since I started learning German. The thing you go for facial, yeah. You wondered why when you're from facial, your face is very small. They always use a Sunction. See? Let's sanction all those oil. This has really helped me get a clear skin. I'm not yet there where I want to be, but it's getting better. It's just remained the black spot. Once I'm done with the big cap, I go with this one, the one with some stone-like or granite to soften and to prevent the bruising kind of, or the hotness that I'm feeling. But my face is already smooth. And then I will go wash my face and apply my retinol and moisturizer, night cream, and then sleep. So I'm just from washing my hair after the suctioning. Yeah, I've already repacked. I will cleanse it next time. This is how my face look. Where the small pimples are coming, they will appear like swollen. Even my face generally appears swollen, but by tomorrow it will be okay, or after some time. Then I will now apply my retinol, and I use this one from The Ordinary, Granactive Retinoid 5% in squalane, not 2. I love this one. 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. I prefer using retinol after the Sunction, because of the obvious reason I stated earlier, for rejuvenating. And retinol does not feel harsh, at least on your skin. But if on your side you feel a burning sensation from using retinol, then don't use it. That's it, and that's how I managed to remove the bumpy kind of skin, as you've seen before. So thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, share with someone who has had hormonal or acne problem, or you may not really have acne problem like the extreme, but you want to get rid of the bumpy type of skin. Yeah, you can try, and it's not that expensive. Yeah, and it's something you will use it for a long time. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.